It's a booking engine for this property in Italy, La Foce. And then we have the booking engine. Click on URL. And here we can see the booking engine URL. We open this in a new tab. And here what we can see there's an image, there's some text, and the property wants some background image. So the first thing that I will do, I will go to settings, and then you can here select the background image. If you have already the images downloaded, you can use them here directly. But in this case, it's going to be empty. There are no images inside the system, you can see. So let's do the following. We're gonna go to property, photo gallery, and normally you can find these images on the property website, or the property can send you the images. But here we are gonna copy some of the images and use them as a background. So this is loading, and now we have, for example, this one is a nice picture. It's like this. Save. This one is nice. F2. And this one also. F3. So for the moment we have enough images to say this one I like also. F4. This is panoramic. F5. And also very important to take the logo. This is the logo. Okay, so now we go back again to distribution, booking engine. This is loading. We go to settings. We go to background image. This is loading. So we want to have the background image changed. Booking engine logo from this side refers to booking logo here, shown on the right side. This is another booking logo. But what we're going to do, background slider on off, activate the background image or slider on the landing image of the booking engine. Yeah, so if we have multiple images, they will just be like a cascade, will come one after the other one. Carousel it's called, yeah, carousel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images, they will just move. Text position, so we're going to change the text position. It's going to be inside here. That's very good because this will be replaced. And full image, then will be, if the toggle is switched, then the full image will be covered. This is a new function, so we're going to see how it works. And also these two are new functions. Let's see if, yeah, we save this for the moment. And then we go to browse files, and then we have La Foce. And then we're going to upload this bulk upload. We can do also of the 5 images. They're being uploaded 100%. So we need to wait a bit. Okay, sounds good. We have all the data here. And now we can see the order. You can play with the order as well and change it differently. So you have a mix. You have a green room, outside green, room, outside green. So you have a nice logic inside here. And now let's check to see what has changed. So we can see the images like this shown. So and also it will just move around. So the image qualities are not very good. So we need to insert better image qualities for this case. Let's see how big they are. So it's 800. So 800 is not enough. So you have to put 1,500 or 2,000. Don't put 4,000, that's going to be too much. And now what we're going to test to see if the new function is working. And then you have opacity, how big how much you want it, 10% or so on. Let's see if this is working. So this is still under development, and what this will do, it will cover the full page with the new images. So that's how you can work with images. So and then they will change based on your browser. So depending on the size of your browser, they will be changing the images. That's what I want to say. Also, you can play with images to put 1, 2, and make a collage of images, or this is just standard the way it's been done. Okay, all the best. Enjoy.